my braider cancelled my hair appointment because I did not come with a pre-stretched braiding.
No, 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 no.
How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? How are you, my dearest friends? Yes, so welcome back. Is your favorite girl here, Ijoma? You can call me Ije Love. So today we're going to club in the kitchen. So yes, grab your pans, grab the pot, grab these ingredients. Let's cook up the storm. Let's dance and cook. I believe you from my friend. It must be you. Okay, we've stopped dancing for a while before they give us copyright issues. So yes, if you all just want to change, from stew, a certain type of sauce, and you're just looking for something to switch it up, or a step where you can just pop in your fridge and it goes with rice, it goes with yam, it goes with plantains, fried, boiled, roasted, whatever way, just go for this recipe. And it's a high protein meal. It's so yummy, filled with veggies, lots and lots of nutrients. Yeah. I will never leave the rough and until the magic for life. So this recipe literally does not take any time. Like growing up, this if not even growing up now, this is still one of my best sauce that I love to eat. Whenever I want boiled yam, fried yam, especially egg sauce and white rice is still my best so far. Like so I don't joke with this recipe. It's so dear to me. So I want you to try it out and tell me if you love it. Yes. So you can add as much eggs as you want. If you want to make it a very high protein meal, you reduce the amount of oil you want to add. Just this is a very good recipe that you can tweak it to match your dietary restrictions and you still get the same flavor and the burst. Yes. So if you have any questions on some things you want to ask, this should not take you more than 30 minutes. Drop that question in the comment section. Yes, because I made this on a Saturday against the Sunday. I had to make this because I was already celebrating on when I'm going to eat it on Sunday because this is hands down one of my best meals. I do not joke with it, and I love the big eggplant. You see how that big one in the middle is? Yes, that's how I love it. Now come and test this meal with me and tell me what you think about it. Yes, I hope you've made yours. Have you dished it out? Testing time. Test. Let's test it. Okay, if you do not make yours, so yeah, come on, have a spoon. Yes, I'm that nice. Grab a spoon, test. Yes, besties. I hope you feel refreshed after that chilling and dancing and cooking. So, why is your cooking boring? Blast some music, dance, shake your body so you can exercise, cook, have fun and be happy while doing that. So, after that, my busy body decided to wash because my washing machine was broken and they said they were going to deliver today, but I wasn't sure. I decided not to trust them. That is trust issues. So after washing this, spreading this, but low key, I enjoyed hand washing. Like I really missed it. So I didn't have a problem doing that because I just wanted to do something I've not done in a while.
My
Immediately,
washing
I
machine is
hung the
here.
last clothes.
After I
Look at that.
finish
The
doing hand
van came
washing,
in. Mm.
now it's coming.
Oh God. Oh God, like everyone literally laughing at me like you could have just waited. But yes, my new baby is here. My new baby is here. Yes, yes, yes. My new washing machine is here. Yep, is here. My braider cancelled my hair appointment because I did not come with a pre-stretched braiding hair. Hear me out, because I usually go there with a pre-stretched braiding hair. But on this day, I went to the beauty supply store and the extensions I saw, I didn't like the color. And I saw this lovely one that was not a pre-stretched braiding hair, but I really fell in love with the color. I wanted the color. I wanted something shorter, like a shoulder length, but I was getting braiding hairs of 22 inches and they were so really expensive. While I could get this one for a cheaper price, and it was the exact color I wanted. It was just everything I wanted. So I took the hint and I bought it. Now my appointment is cancelled. Are you facing this challenge? Or maybe you have a child and then you go to the supply store and you're only seeing 22 inches. You and I know you can't use that. So you end up cutting the braiding hair, you end up cutting it at the ends, and we're wasting braiding hair. So say no more to this waste. Say no more to this braiding conflict, because you can do this at the comfort of your home. Whether you're making your hair yourself or your braider requires you to come with a pre-stretch hair, but you're tight on budget and you really want to save money. Why I can get this for 399, why get a braiding hair for £20 when I can get one of £3? And then so, if you're the one in this situation, what would you do? So, there are different methods to cut your pre-stretched braiding hair at home. You can do that, and nobody's gonna know. You get the perfect length you want. You get the color of extensions you want. Sorry about the noise in the background. Like she's really trying to explain how pissed off or what she would have done in this situation. So, drop it in the comment section. What would you have done in in this situation? They have come back home and made yours yourself, or cancel the braider and like never again, or next time buy the braiding hair that was requested. So tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. So today has been a very busy day. A lot has been achieved. So I decided to document it for you. I decided to write it in my diary, my virtual diary. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. So when you're cooking and you feel you're bored, turn it into a club. Have fun with it. Chores does not have to be boring. And then when you miss something, you miss doing some things that don't look back. Just do what you gotta do. Enjoy the process. Sometimes you miss doing some old things. You're like, I know I'm way above that. For where? Go back and do it. You miss playing under the rain. Go outside the rain. God will Mary. Stop saying, oh, I've grown past that. You miss riding the bicycle. Go and look for bicycle. If you have a bicycle around you, or say a child riding the bicycle, go out there and join them and ride a bicycle. Yes, because this life we're living in is too short. It's too short. So after this is birthday, I was like, baby girl, I'm going to live this life to the fullest. Yes, sometimes the mood change, we feel some type of way, we feel worried, some things I want are not materializing, yeah, just feel bad in a few minutes and then snap out of it because oh wow, fumbia. Yeah, so come what may, I'm going to enjoy it. So try and enjoy yours whatever way. Put in the energy to be happy. The same way you put in the energy to look good, put in the energy to work out, put in the energy to be happy. That is our slogan this year. So see you in my next one, dear diary. And thank you so much for being there for me. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new here. Welcome to the family. And if you're an OG, thank you so much for believing in this little girl. Yeah, thank you so much. And stay tuned for my next one. Yeah, relax and see how you can achieve this beautiful braiding look. So, yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, the dancing part, the washing, launching my new baby. Yeah, I'm so excited about appliances and gadgets. I don't know why. I love home appliances. Yes, and then getting my pre-stretch hair done at home because nobody's charging me the price of three attachments for one. Not this year. We're working smart and not hard. So I'm going to do it at home while chilling with my baby girl, and then pop into your shop and like, voila, I have my braiding hair. What you gonna say now? What you gonna say now? Or are you going to cancel the braider entirely? Just tell me what you're going to do in the comment section. Drop it down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Signing out there, diary, and I love you all. Bye.